Here we've got Apple iPhone SE from 2022, and let me show you how to reset network preferences. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then find and select General, and go to the very bottom of the list where you will notice Transfer or Reset iPhone. So just mark it, click on Reset, and if you would like to reset network settings, just mark it. Confirm by tapping on Reset Network Settings, and now wait till your device is rebooted. It should take less than 30 seconds, sorry. And that's it. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.